After completing the green row, we take out another color for the small flower. Then, find a slightly longer single crochet stitch. Insert the hook and chain 1, then crochet a double crochet in this stitch. Yarn over. Crochet another double crochet, then chain 1. Still in the same stitch. Crochet and double crochet 2 in 1. Then on this stitch, at the head of the single crochet, work a single crochet, and yarn over. In the next single crochet's head, insert the hook. We will crochet 1 chain stitch, 2 double crochets. Then 1 chain stitch, 2 double crochets. Then work a single crochet on the next single crochet. Repeat this pattern. Now we've completed this round of yellow small flowers, then take out the green yarn. Insert the hook from the middle of the small flower at the chain stitch position, chain 1, then crochet a single crochet. Tighten the back. Then chain 1. In the next chain stitch position, crochet another single crochet, then yarn over and crochet a double crochet. For this double crochet, instead of inserting the hook into the stitch of the single crochet, still insert it into the single crochet from below, then pull through a double crochet. In this way, you can see that the green connects together. If you crochet into the yellow stitch, the color will be separated. Repeats this pattern to complete this round. After finishing with the green, we take out the white yarn, and insert the hook at the chain stitch position. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Then, make a turning chain for the double crochet. Yarn over. Here we need to crochet and double crochet 2 in 1. Then continue. At every chain stitch position, we need to crochet an increase in the double crochet. After finishing this round, start with a turning chain for the double crochet. Then crochet 3 single crochets in a row. Take a look at this bag from this row onward to here. It's all about repeating the pattern, so I won't go into detail here. We'll skip it and continue when we reach the row of single crochets. At that point, we'll discuss how to finish the strap. When you reach here, make 2 chain stitches. Then at this position, crochet 1/2 double crochet, chain 1, then yarn over. Insert the hook into the popcorn stitch, and wrap around the 3 chain stitches in white. Then join them together, just like here. Chain 1, then crochet a 1/2 double crochet in the single crochet, and chain 1 again. Repeat this pattern. After completing this round, chain 1, yarn over, and make a double crochet in this hole, then chain 2. In the body of the double crochet, work a single crochet, yarn over again. Crochet a double crochet and chain 2. Now we've completed the main part, and we'll move on to the final simple section. It's very easy. 100 chain stitches. Now we've finished crocheting the strap. Since we need 2 straps, we'll start from the side edge to connect them. Pass through 1 hole and skip 1 hole. Because there are 2 straps, alternate them to ensure they have space to weave through. Repeat this process and secure the strap when done. Let's take out the yarn and start crocheting the flower center. First, chain 3, then slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. Remember to pinch it tightly while working, otherwise, it will be hard to pull the center tight. Look, there is a small hole here, and we'll crochet into this hole. Work 4 single crochets. After crocheting here, break the yarn. Then take out the yellow yarn. Insert the hook into any space, pull the yellow yarn through, and make 2 chains with the yarn over. Crochet petals into the stitch spaces of the previous round. 2 double crochets. 2 chains. Normally, we crochet 1 single crochet for each petal, but if we crochet 5 single crochets here, there will be a bit of gap. Then, repeat to crochet 5 petals for you all, and this is what the small flower looks like after it's crocheted. Later, trim off the yarn tail, and I used hot melt glue to stick it onto the strap. Thus, the bag is completed.